Hello class. Hello class 10. So let's continue our exercise 3.4 of your polynomials chapter. We have to find the roots of the quadratic equations using Sridharacharya formula, and it is written if they exist. That means if the roots exist or not, you have to first find that and then apply this formula. This is the Sridharacharya formula, and find the roots. So first I am taking question number. First only it is written so this is written, okay. So what is A here? A is 2, B is minus of 2 root 2, this whole value, and C is only 1, okay. What will be the next step? Now you will do is put this equation in b square minus 4ac. To find whether the roots exist or not, you have to put the values of this in this equation first. Let's find it. What is b? Minus of 2 root 2 whole square minus 4 into a is 2 and 1. Minus 2 square is 4 and root 2 square is 2. And this with 4 2s are is 8. If you see further, 4 2s are is again 8, and this is minus of 8, this is equals to 0. And when b square minus 4ac is equals to 0, then roots exist, roots are there, and real and equal roots are there. Roots are real and equal. First thing is roots exist. Roots होंगे, इनके सॉल्यूशन होंगे और जो कि रियल और इक्वल रूट्स हो, ठीक है. नाउ फाइंड दोज. यूज दिस फॉर्मूला. x will be equals to minus of b plus 0. Actually this is all 0 na, so root of this will be equals to 0. I am directly writing this b square minus 4ac as 0. What is b? What is 2a? A is 2. Minus into minus is plus of 2 into root 2. Now this is 2. 2 and 2 cancel. What about this 2? This 2 can be written as root 2 square. इस 2 को मैं root 2 square लिख सकता हूँ. And I can cut this root 2 and this square. What will be the answer? 1 upon root. So the value of x will be 1 upon root 2. Again 1 upon root 2. 2 times. दो बार इसलिए लिख रहा हूँ because there are equal roots. 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2 are the two values of x. Okay. So let's take the problem number 3 of question number 2. In this question, what I am doing is multiplying x in the whole equation. इस पूरी equation में x multiply करूँगा. This will become x into x, x square. This will become x into 1 upon x, and this will become 3 into x. This x and x will cancel out one time. So the equation what we get, transpose this is 3x को इस तरफ transpose कर दो. So this is the equation. Equals to 0. This is equals to 1. This is minus of 3x. So this is the equation. What is A here? What is B here? What is C here? So these are A, B, C. Put it in this equation. B square minus 4AC. Find this. What will be the value of this? Minus of 3 square into 4. 1 into 1. This will be 9 minus 4 equals to 5. So root of B square minus 4AC will be equals to plus minus root 5 plus and minus root 5. Okay. This means that this is greater than 0, and wherever B square minus 4AC is greater than 0, therefore roots are real and distinct. Roots exist and are real and distinct. रूट्स होंगे, दो रूट्स होंगे, रियल भी होंगे और अलग अलग होंगे. ठीक है. So let's find it using this Sridharacharya formula. So x, the first value of x will be equals to minus of b plus root 5 upon 2, and the other value of x will be minus of minus 3 minus root 5 upon 2 into. One time it is plus, other time it is minus. एक बार plus लिया, एक बार लिया. So the final answers will be x equals to 3 plus root 5 upon 2, and x is equals to 3 minus is plus. Okay, that's why only 3. Minus into minus 3 हो जाएगा, plus का 3 हो जाएगा. So these are the two answers. Okay, let's see one more. Let's see the fifth problem. What is A here? 1. What is B? 4. What is C? 5. For this equation, let's find the value. B square minus 4AC निकालेंगे पहले. What is B square? 4 square. What is this? 4 into 1 into 5. This will be equals to 16 minus 20, and this will be equals to minus of 4. 16 minus 20 is minus of 4, which is less than 0, negative number. Therefore, whenever b square minus 4ac is negative number or less than 0, roots are imaginary, or you can say do not exist. The roots do not exist. कोई भी इसका roots, इनके solutions नहीं होंगे. So this is the answer. Let's take the sixth part. It is written that 1 by x minus 1 by x minus 2 is equals to 3, where x will never have the value 0 or 2. x की वैल्यू कभी भी 2 या 0 नहीं होगी. Okay? Now, what will you do in this case? You will take LCM. This into this. Now हियर x इज देयर, यहाँ पे x है तो दूसरी टर्म यहाँ पे लिख दो, यहाँ पे x माइनस 2 है तो x वाली टर्म इस पे लिख दो, क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन, एंड दिस विल बी इक्वल्स टू 3। यहाँ से मैं इसको ब्रैकेट को खोल दूँ अगर, एंड आई जस्ट राइट दिस, अगर इसको ऐसे भी लिखूं तो भी ये चीज सही होगी। फर्दर इस पूरे पार्ट को इससे इंटू कर लो और यहाँ पे क्या बच जाएगा, x माइनस एक्स इज 0, ओनली रिमेनिंग टर्म इज माइनस ऑफ 2 इज इक्वल्स टू, दिस इज 3x इंटू एक्स माइनस 2। राइट इट हियर। इस पूरे टर्म को खोलो, ओपन करो और इस माइनस 2 को भी उसके साथ में लिख दो। तो 3x इंटू एक्स इज 3x स्क्वायर, 3x इंटू 2 इज माइनस ऑफ 6x, एंड दिस माइनस 2 when comes in this side will become plus of 2 equals to 0. So what are the a, b, c? A, b and c. What is the value of this? A is equals to 3, b is equals to minus 6 and c is equals to 2. Let's see further. b square minus 4ac minus of 6 square. I can directly write. I am just writing 36. b square is minus 6 square, that is 36 into 4 into 3 into 2. This will be equals to 36 minus, this will be equals to 36 minus 4 to the 8, 8 3 are 24. Okay. And it is equals to 12 which is greater than 0. ये क्या है, 0 से बड़ा है, that means it has real and distinct roots. रियल और डिस्टिंक्ट रूट्स इसके हैं। पता लगा ये क्या है, कैन आई राइट अपसाइड, यहाँ पे ऊपर लिख दूं, श्रीधराचार्य फॉर्मूला यूज करते हैं, बी स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac का जो रूट होगा वो क्या हो जाएगा, प्लस माइनस 12, ये वैल्यू जो 12 आई वो, ठीक है। मैं डायरेक्टली पुट करूंगा वैल्यू x इक्वल्स टू, एक टर्म क्या आ जाएगी, माइनस ऑफ माइनस 6 अपॉन 2 इंटू what is a 3, then plus root of 12, one will be this and the other will be x equals to minus of minus 6 minus root of 2, and this is okay. अगर इसको आगे देखें, this will be 6 or 2 into 3 is also 6, 2 into 3 is also 6, okay, upon 6, मैं इसको ब्रेक कर रहा हूं, 6 upon 6 plus root 12 can be written as root of 6 into root of 2 upon, और यहां पे मैं क्या लिख रहा हूं, रूट ऑफ 6 इंटू रूट ऑफ 6। इसको दो पार्ट में ब्रेक कर रहा हूं, तो एक तो रूट ऑफ 6 ये कटेगा और एक ये 6 और 6 कट जाएगा 1 टाइम, सब बचेगा सिर्फ 1 प्लस रूट 2 अपॉन रूट 6 बचा। एक और चीज ध्यान देखो, ये रूट 6, अब ये वाला जो बचा है वो भी क्या है, एक्चुअली 2 इंटू 3 है, और 2 इंटू 3 को मैं रूट ऑफ 2 इंटू रूट ऑफ 3 लिख सकता हूं, जिसमें ये दोनों कट जाएंगे, फाइनल आंसर विल बी 1 प्लस 1 अपॉन रूट 3। सिमिलरली यहां पे value of x is this, one value of x is this, other value will be 6 minus of सिमिलर, सिर्फ माइनस साइन का फर्क है, फाइनल आंसर क्या आ जाएगा, सेम आएगा, सिर्फ माइनस साइन का फर्क है। ओके, दिस विल बी द so we have completed up to the question number 6th.